What's going on, fam? Welcome back to these lovely Forex vlogs you're going to be getting pretty often. So if you don't know me, my name's Makisha, all right? Been trading Forex now for over 4 years. I think it's going on 5 years now, so a pretty long time. So I done got my ups, my downs, my tricks of the trade, all that kind of stuff. So if you're here, you're definitely listening to the right person. And the reason for today's video is just to show you how simple trading can be. Now, I'm not saying it's easy, but we do have tools in place, because that's what tools are for, that can make the process a little more simpler for you and kind of shorten that learning curve, right? So one of the main things I like about our academy is that we have different resources in place. We have different AI systems in place. We have AI systems that gather different algorithms for you and help you determine the best of the best trades. So one of the main things I like is one called the hourglass, or we like to call it cash trap. Right, and this one deals with more the binary side, because with Forex, you have Forex, you have binary, right, which we call or slash HFX. There's so many different ways you can trade, but the one I'm going to show you today is binary slash HFX. So let me show you here. So what if you got this lovely right here, right? And make sure you can hear, turn this down a little bit. I like to rock out when I'm doing this stuff. So you have this here, right? Say for instance you get access to us today. You get back here, and this is just one of the many that we have. Because remember, you got Forex and you got binary, and you got drop ship, and all depends on what you're looking for. So right here, it tells you a put, which means that you are selling. So think of a put as sell, and a lot of people, sometimes people have issues like remembering what's what. So a put, I think of it as if you're putting the phone down, which is a sell. And then you have a call, which is buying. Call is buying. You're calling someone up, right? You're putting the phone down, your put is your sell. So when you look here, it tells us, I don't know if you can see him, see if I can get a little zoom in for you. So right in here, make sure you can see that. Yeah, right in here it says put. Put means sell. So we know when it does that, and then we have our other indicators down here, and we know to follow along with that, right? And then we do have, of course, live trainers that show you exactly how to do it. But imagine just not knowing anything about learning how to trade, right? You know anything about it. You're like, I don't know what binary is. I don't know what MetaTrader 4 is. I don't know what any of that stuff is. And then all you do is plug in with us in our academy, and we teach you the fundamentals. But then while you're learning, at the same time, what we do is give you these different systems. Because you know, systems means saving yourself time, energy, and money. And that's what it's all about, especially in this economy, right? Because we know that you're working. So while you're working, why not work on yourself as well by just plugging in, doing exactly what the system says and being able to make profit. So simple. So this video could be longer, but remember, I like to make stuff simple. It's just straight simple. So the overall point of this video is to let you know that trading is not hard when you have the right tools, systems, mentors in place. That's what I love about the academy too, is that you have a variety of mentors. So it's not just me that you're going to be working with. You have a variety of mentors that you'll be working with. You got live education, right? You got the different systems. You got different things on mindset, because whether or not you know it, mindset is not, trading is 90% mental, which is all about the mindset, because we work on your mindset to take you from just working for your money to get you familiar and comfortable with being in the right environment of having your money work for you. One of the things that I love about this is because last night I was trading cryptocurrency. And if you follow along with me, you know that you have to, even though Bitcoin is at, was it 32, then it went up to 41,000, right? But even if you don't have that much to buy a whole crypto coin, on the Forex market, we trade that. So I woke up to profit. I took a trade last night, right, with some of the skills that the academy taught me, and woke up and it closed out in profit. That means that I made money while I sleep, which means that I can never now become a slave to my time and money, because now I'm getting my time back, because while I sleep, my money was growing. And that's what we want to teach you here. So like I said, it's not hard. It's not hard at all. But when you have the right tools, systems, mentors in place, trading can be very, very beneficial for you. So whether if you're trading already, stick with it, right? And if you're not in our academy, still stick with it. And if you're new to trading and want to learn some more about it, come on over here. Let me help you out, right? That's what I'm here for. So I'm going to help you out. I'm going to get you access to the academy, walk you through everything, and just make sure that Forex is right for you, because I know it is. If you're looking to grow your money and learn how to make your money work for you versus you working for money, we'll do a whole nother video on this. Don't even worry. Don't worry. We'll do a whole nother video on it. But if that's you and you're looking for a different route, right? It's 2021. So we're looking for a different route. We're just not going to trade our time for money anymore. We're going to learn these skill sets where people like you, people like me are now becoming the new wealthy, the new 1%, right? So I believe you can do it. I know you found some value in this video. And just to show you one more time, check it out, all right? That's the software. So if you have any questions, let me know. All you gotta do is email me. You can text me. I'm here as your Forex mentor, and I will see you all in the next video. And for those of you that are locking arms with us today, I see you in the academy. Stay blessed. Dream cars, right? Because it got to be a dream, but you got to be able to touch it. You got to be able to feel it. You got to be able to smell it, because it's coming to you, whatever it is. So whatever it is that you're dreaming for and hoping for and wishing for, go out there and find it. Find the future of it. Not very many, unless you own Toshiba, LG, and those type of things, right? If not, your TV and that Netflix and Hulu or that cable is not making you money. It's better off. Look at this.
Yeah. You saw when it was in the middle line, you don't want to trade, right? You don't want to put in there because you don't know which one is going to go up or down. So you can go to another one.
How old are you, Dravis?
14.
14?
Yep.
If anytime it's in the middle, I want to put buy or sell because you'll never know what's mystery. Yeah. So a new thing that I call it, in the middle, I call it a mystery bone. Okay. So in the middle, you don't know what about it. Yeah. Okay. So then basically, oh yeah. So they have like every time frame, like 15 minutes. I go between a minute.
Alright, I got you. I'm share my screen. So I'm going to be showing both of you all. So you see my screen?